Yeah, so keep on watching Makamuganda, and that's how we do it every day. It's called Makamuganda. Kata kamano Nyatiti nyakawako makatagiye kidage in makore ne baba tek matin, lakini still we are just moving very slowly, pole 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 pole, ndio mwendo bwana. Kuna matata, kuna noma, kuna nomariz, kuna nomariz. Just take on, take on, take on, take on, take on. Yeah, kai mau okay guys. Wanaonge place mwana mau okay mimi. Kai mau okay matek sana. Akatoka. Kai mau okay matek. Kaka mama. Sasa unafaa kuingia kwa Nicole wala kufollow. Hawingi. There is a guy. Jamaa nawasikia. Yeah. Jamaa, you know. Yeah, keep on watching. This I'll give you just a vibe. Nyatiti vibe, because right now in Congo Beach. I'm just chilling with the music, guys. Chill tuna ngoma. Sina stress, sina story bwana. No story at all. Just chilling up with music. No music just bring happiness. Yeah, so we are just chilling here with music, guys. Yeah. Let me clean my camera. Aje. Check ni kanya ikikombe no. Ya bed mabor matene. Yeah, so I have to move, guys, because of that copyright. Yeah, there's a guy just playing. Jambo, how are you? My name is Maka. You can follow me on my YouTube channel, subscribe. Ase woto gaminga tujina me ukarano YouTube channel, follow, subscribe, kindly. Tieka. Kwa hiyo Otek Martin. So guys, right now I just want to leave because I don't see what I'm expecting. Because this place is very, very tiresome, guys. I have to leave, guys, because of time. You know, right now it's almost. So I'll just take you to the other part of the river. So you know, this is a Nyatiti vibe, guys. So there's some guys I just want to wait here for a while before I leave this place. Before I left this place, guys. So here is called Congo River, guys. It's called Congo River. Congo River. This is a place. This is a nice place, guys. That view is a Congo River. You can look even other direction. How it is. It's a very nice place. But right now we are in low tide, guys, and water level is low. The water level is very low. It's very low compared to the other days, guys. So just right now, I want to leave this place, guys, because right now it's getting dark, and you know, by the time it's dark, I can't even take a photo or take a video. Yeah, but keep on watching Makamugenda. I don't know how to appreciate your time, guys, because it's a very awesome day, very good day, very nice day, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So there's sometimes I have to left and later come back. Jumbo. Yeah. So sometimes you have to left, sometimes you come back, guys. So this is how it is, guys. Very awesome, very nice place to be. It's called Congo River. Yeah, guys. Right now, the high population are coming from the river, and now I have to left this place, guys, because what I'm seeing is not very fine. Yeah, so let me move to the other side. I just want to show you before I leave. Before I left this place, I have to just give you Papa. Yeah, yeah. So before I left this place, I'll just show you how it is and how it have been. Yeah, so the whole population you see there, they are coming from the river. They are from the river, guys. They are from the river. I don't know. So let me talk to these guys. It's just about a matter of trial. Habari zenu ndugu, naitwa Maka. In case mtakuwa online, naomba tu nisaidie follow YouTube, subscribe, watch. I play instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah, so just subscribe, watch. Yes. Naitwa Maka Mugenda. Thank you. Yes. This is how it is, guys. And right now I just move. I have to move this place.
Yo.
Naje?
Pepe. Hi man.
Poa poa, naje?
Poa sana.
Naitwa Maka.